A portion of the Noori Jama Masjid, a nearly 180-year-old mosque in Fatehpur, Uttar Pradesh, was demolished on Tuesday after it was found to be encroaching on the Banda-Fatehpur Road. The mosque committee had approached the Allahabad High Court seeking relief over the issue. According to Avinash Tripathi, the Additional District Magistrate (ADM) of Fatehpur, the district administration had previously issued a notice to the mosque committee to remove the encroaching structure. However, the mosque committee had filed a petition in the High Court, though it had yet to be heard. Tripathi clarified that the part of the mosque demolished was built within the last 3 years and the main structure of the mosque remains untouched. He explained that the Public Works Department (PWD) had issued notices to 139 people, including shopkeepers and house owners, in August. These notices were part of an effort to remove encroachments along the road so the PWD could begin strengthening the road and constructing drains. The PWD had marked the areas where structures had encroached, and most people, including the mosque committee, had already removed their encroachments by September. However, the mosque committee failed to demolish the structure they had promised to remove. Tripathi said the PWD requested help from the administration to provide security during the demolition. An adequate police force was deployed to ensure everything went smoothly. There were no protests during the demolition.